A base is made up of two ions, one a metal which is the positive ion, and second the negative ion or the hydroxyl ion. And what is an acid? An acid is hydrogen ion which is the positive ion and the non-metallic ion which is say X. Now, when these two combine, what happens? Hydrogen and hydroxyl ion combine with each other to form water, and metal and non-metal form salt. So, basically salt is a compound which has a metal and a non-metal. So, whether it is a carbonate or sulfate or nitrate, all these are salts which are derived from various acids. Now, for example, let us find out how is sodium sulfate formed. This will be formed from sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. Potassium nitrate from potassium hydroxide and nitric acid. Calcium chloride, calcium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. So, depending upon which base and which salt, we have different type of salts, and obviously their nature will also change accordingly. Now, the salts which have been derived from strong acids, they will be acidic salts, and which are from strong bases, they will be from basic salts. Just like you have your parents, sometimes you say I am Papa's son or Papa's daughter, and sometimes you say you are mother's daughter. So, to whom, or even say, let us take the case of resemblance. Sometimes a child has more resemblance towards father, both in the physical features as well as behavior. Sometimes it is more towards mother. So, although the child is a progeny of both, but the inclination can be towards one parent. So, in the case of salts also, now let us take the case of say acetic acid, which is a weak acid. Now, when this combines with a strong base, then what we get is sodium acetate. Now, can you guess what will be its inclination towards? Acetic acid is weak, but sodium hydroxide is strong. So, this will be a basic salt. And if the acid is strong, and the base is weak comparatively, like aluminum hydroxide, what we will get is aluminum nitrate. Now, here the nitrate or the nitric acid will have more dominating influence. So, the salt will be acidic. But what if both mother and father are equally dominating? Then the effect is neutralized. So, these salts are neutral.